We were at Greenhouse Effect in our first session, and let's take a look at our choices again. We've typed in Greenhouse Effect, and it is at the Columbia College Library that we're looking. And we are now going to click on Word or Phrase. And it tells us we have 33 titles. As we scroll down, our very first choice is a video recording or DVD. Our second choice is an electronic resource, and that means that it is an online book. We can only view it online. Our third choice does not say anything about a video recording or that it's an electronic resource. It is a book that we will find physically on the shelf. To find the book on the shelf, we would have to write down this call number above the title, QC 981.8 G56 G6735 2009. The whole thing must be written. Our title is our choice, A Plan to Solve the Climate Crisis, written by Al Gore, and there is one copy available at Columbia College Library in the general collection. Let's click on Details. This will give us more information about the book. Here's a description of the book right here, and if you click on Read More, the description will continue. Its publisher is Rodale. The publication date is 2009. The pages are 414. This ISBN is the International Standard Book Number. For the most part, you will not need to worry about that. Where the book is located, and that it's also in the general collection. If you come over here to the right, you'll notice that you could place a hold on this book should it have been checked out and you wanted to wait for it. Or the book was at Modesto Junior College, you would again place a hold. More about that later. And then down here are the categories. These are the subject headings assigned by the Library of Congress. Back here, we're going to take a look at the catalog record. The catalog record will give you even more information. Notice that the table of contents is listed here, and that can be very helpful in making a determination if it is a book you want to find on the shelf. But here's the best part. These are subject terms, and that means this book is about these subject areas. Now these are all hyperlinked, so a click on them will take you to titles that have these subjects. We had typed in Greenhouse Effect as a word or phrase. It turns out it is a subject term when we add the word atmospheric at it. Let's click on global warming. Look how many titles we have now, 70 titles. So when we get finished looking at greenhouse effects, this is another place to come and look, and it will be about this subject. Let's go back to our book, and remember that you need to write down this whole call number to find it on the shelf, QC 981.8 G56 G6735 2009. Make sure that the book is at the library that you want, Columbia College, and it's in the general collection to find it on the shelf.